Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Creative English Hub. In this video we will see figures of speech based on the poem Have You Earned Your Tomorrow. Now see the first figure of speech, alliteration. So here definition of alliteration is given. A poetic device where words beginning with consonant sounds repeated for poetic effect. कि वर्ड्स जो कि कॉन्सोनेंट से शुरू होते हैं दिस वर्ड्स आर रिपीटेड जस्ट एज हियर इन ब्लू कलर. आपको ब्लू कलर में कुछ वर्ड्स दिखेंगे. धिस, टॉयलिंग, टाइम, थ्रू. सो हियर धिस में टी है, टॉयलिंग टाइम टी, टाइम का टी एंड थ्रू का टी. हियर द रिपीटेशन ऑफ टी. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इज देन वैनिश्ड इन थ्रॉन्ग. सो हियर ऑल्सो यू विल फाइंड रिपीटेशन ऑफ टी. थर्ड एग्जाम्पल, where you selfish, pure and simple as you rushed along the way. You will find here repetition of W and S. Here selfish S and simple S. So here you will find here repetition of W and S. Then did you did. In this example you will find here repetition of D. Can you say tonight in parting with the day that is sleeping fast. Here you will find repetition of S and T. Last example is did you waste the day or lose it? Was it well or sorely spent? So here you will find repetition of D, W and S. Next figure of speech is interrogation. A poetic device where the poet asks question not to obtain an answer but to emphasize a point. कि यहाँ पे पोएट क्वेश्चन पूछता है. दिस क्वेश्चंस डजंट रिक्वायर एनी आंसर. नाउ सी दिस क्वेश्चंस. इज एनीबडी हैप्पियर बिकॉज यू पास्ड हिज वे? डज एनीवन रिमेंबर दैट यू स्पोक टू हिम टुडे? इज देयर एनीवन टू अटर नाउ अ काइंडली वर्ड फॉर यू? डिड यू गिव अ cheerful greeting to a friend who came along? Or a churlish sort of howdy and then vanish in the throng? Or is someone mighty grateful for a deed you did today? Can you say tonight in parting with the days that sleeping fast that you helped a single brother or many that you passed? Next example is does a man whose hopes were fading now with courage looks ahead? Did you leave a trail of kindness or a scar of discontent? As you close your eyes in slumber, do you think that God would say you have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today? So here in all examples, ये सभी examples एक question है and that's why this figure of speech is interrogation where poet asks questions not to obtain an answer but to emphasize a point but to emphasize a poetic effect. Thank you for watching this video.